Welcome in. My name is Ryan Henderson. I'm the head of research at Fiscal.ai.
And I'm Arya, a research analyst here at Fiscal.
And today we're going to be taking you through the Fiscal Enterprise tier.
To get to our platform, what you're going to want to do is just search for Fiscal.ai in your browser. We have a number of different tiers for different investors, but for today's video, we're only going to be talking about the enterprise tier.
For all our enterprise users, you're going to get all the functionality included with Fiscal Pro, as well as 6 additional features that are enterprise specific. The first feature enterprise users get is more data. If you search a company and select the financials page, you're going to notice that there are far more time periods than there used to be. All enterprise users now get 20 years of financial data and 40 quarters as well. We're able to do this because we are pulling in this financial data using the Fiscal.ai proprietary data feed. Whether it's the income statement, the balance sheet, the cash flow statement, you're going to find 2 decades worth of accurate, fast financial data. The second incredible feature that users get with the enterprise tier is our one-of-a-kind data speed. We're using Eli Lilly as an example here. They reported earnings this morning, literally 2 hours ago, and all their financial data is already in the platform. Users no longer have to wait hours or even days for financial data to update. Our fundamentals are updated within minutes of earnings reports.
Another big new feature that we're bringing to the platform is the ability to look at both the standardized and as reported view of financials.
While this might seem subtle, this is a huge new feature for analysts because companies report their financials in different ways. Some companies provide more granular line items than others. For example, in this case, we're looking at Amazon here. They actually break out specifically their fulfillment expenses as a part of their SG&A.
And again, all this data is provided to you with real-time data, and the financials are loaded into the platform as soon as the companies report their earnings.
So right now, you can see Arya's got the standardized view of the income statement pulled up. If he toggles on over to as reported, you're going to see the income statement the exact way that Amazon breaks it out themselves. While it's nice to have the granular line items that companies specifically provide for their own data, in order to compare across multiple industries or multiple companies, you need to standardize that data as well. That's why we've made it the best of both worlds for our analysts and our users, because you can choose between your as reported or your standardized view.
In addition to the real-time data speeds, we've made it really easy to single-click audit any number on the platform. By simply hovering over the magnifying glass next to any data point and clicking it, you're able to see the exact page in the SEC documents.
Not only is this an awesome tool for double checking data accuracy, but it also allows you to see all the additional context encapsulated in that page of the financial statement. For example, in this case, Arya just selected the revenue figure from the latest quarter for Amazon. It pulled him to page 4 of that particular filing. If you wanted to see management's commentary around the figures, you could simply go to that page within the filing and have all the accompanying context you might need. All right, lastly, and this is probably our most heavily requested feature of all time, data downloading and exporting. Right now, as an enterprise user on any financial statement, you can simply toggle over the export table data button and select the format that you want to export that data in. For all the analysts out there that like to create their own models, this gives you all the line items and historical data you need to simply ingest and forecast your own figures. You can see here, Arya just downloaded 20 years of Amazon's income statement data, all the way from revenue to gross profit to operating expenses, bottom line, everything encapsulated in that financial statement. This data downloading and exporting works for standardized and as reported data across the income statement, balance sheet, cash flow, and segment and KPI data sets. And it's also compatible with Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or whatever your preferred file format is. Fiscal.ai is truly now the one-stop shop modern financial data terminal for professional investors. It is the only platform on the internet that provides all financial data updated within minutes of company earnings reports. Now, professional investors can view, visualize, chart, compare, and even download data at the fastest speeds of any platform in the world so that they can derive their own insights from it.
And if you're interested in getting access across your organization, we've built an intuitive checkout flow for teams that require multiple seats. If you'd like to get a demo and free trial the platform for yourself, you can also contact sales and we'd be more than happy to talk with you there.
That's it for today. Thank you for checking out the video. Head on over to Fiscal.ai and check it out.